Brand UMI operates in a mature SSRI market where sertraline is a clinically established molecule. In this category, brand selection follows familiar prescribing patterns rather than active comparison. Re-educating psychiatrists on molecular benefits or clinical claims rarely shifts these habits. When the science is well understood, doctors stick to their default brand routines. Firm to gain market share, brand UMI must shift its focus. The objective is to compete on early treatment continuation, not clinical claims. While guidelines clarify when to initiate therapy, the actual value leakage occurs in the weeks that follow. This early treatment phase is where the prescribing experience becomes volatile. This diagram tracks retention drop-off from initiation through month 1. Side effects and stigma lead to silent patient disengagement before the first follow-up. Faced with this volatility, psychiatrists retreat. They default back to whichever brand feels familiar and predictable to restore workflow order. Breaking this habit requires a system that stabilizes the patient's early experience and reduces the friction of continuation. This hub-and-spoke model has 3 phases. Register gives specialists monthly protocols for managing early dropouts. Stabilize introduces a digital continuation companion tracking side effects and flagging risks. Expand provides upstream GPs a referral triage tool, funneling appropriate patients to the hub and reducing stigma. This ecosystem embeds brand UMI into the operational workflow, providing the structural support clinicians need to manage early phase volatility. This dashboard tracks engagement at critical intervals. Structuring check-ins at days 7, 14, and 28 identifies and prevents early discontinuation risks. Improving retention in these first 4 weeks directly correlates with an increase in the unique writer base and a shift in brand selection. Monitoring these specific intervals allows the brand to halt value leakage and correct the cluster-level prescription drift. Prescribing patterns change when the brand makes the doctor's job easier. When the system around the prescription supports patient follow-through, that brand becomes the natural choice for continuation. There's the workflow. Integrate the brand into the practice logic to establish brand UMI as the continuation partner.